What does effective ads optimization look like for an Amazon FBA business? We have to define what effective means. So in this case, I define effective is within the goal that I have. So if my goal it is to launch this product and get as many eyeballs as possible, the right eyeballs as possible to my product, then effective ads is going to be, I'm just going to drive traffic that is going to convert right away, especially sponsored product ads or sponsored brand video ads, which are the ones that are going to generate immediate sales, right? And sponsored brand video ads, especially if you have really good videos that are going to convey exactly what your product is, who is it for, and why your product is a no-brainer to purchase. These are also high converting ads. Not only that they are on higher, like they are top of funnel, but they are still going to convert. So when it comes down to effective, I think it's really important for you to define what effective means for you. If you are in the stage of you want to scale and you want to get more market share, probably that additional market share it's going to come at the cost and it's not going to be the cheapest. In that case, effective ads optimization is going to look like I'm going to spend most of my money most of my budget for ads that are helping with getting additional market share.